So, let's talk about something we all use every single day, but probably don't think about too much. Electricity. It powers our phones, lights up our rooms, and even cooks our food. It's awesome, right? But here's the thing. Electricity can be dangerous if it doesn't behave. It's like a race car. You need really good brakes. In your home, those brakes live in the consumer unit, your fuse box. These devices are unsung heroes, guarding your wiring to keep you safe from fires and electric shocks. Fuses blow when something goes wrong. Today's devices are smarter and faster. They're called MCBs, RCDs, and RCBOs. Confusing letters, I know, but stick with me. Understanding them is a real homeowner superpower. They're the difference between a minor inconvenience, like a tripped switch, and a major disaster. They work 24/7 and act in a fraction of a second if something goes haywire. Think of your wiring like highways. Electricity is traffic that must stay in its lanes. A traffic jam is an overload. A crash is a short circuit. You need a system to shut the lane immediately. These devices are ultimate traffic controllers. First up, the MCB, Miniature Circuit Breaker, the most common protection in modern homes. It protects wiring and appliances from two issues: overloads and short circuits. Think of it as a vigilant guard for circuits, focused on equipment safety. You'll see a row of them, each dedicated to a circuit. Upstairs lights, kitchen sockets. Inside are two mechanisms, one for overloads, one for shorts. For overloads, a bimetallic strip warms and bends. If it bends far enough, it trips, a deliberate, slightly slower action. A short happens when live and neutral touch, causing a massive instant surge. The surge energizes a coil, yanking a plunger to trip instantly, stopping melting wires or explosions. Example, a frayed extension cord. Bam! A short circuit. The MCB trips before you can react, or a loaded gaming setup on one circuit. The strip heats and trips, preventing slow cook wiring. Overloads, handled, shorts, handled, equipment protection, on. Now, the RCD, residual current device. If the MCB guards equipment, the RCD is your personal bodyguard. Its job? Protect you from fatal shock. It isn't focused on overloads. It looks for one thing, electricity that has gone missing. It's ultra-sensitive and fast, because every millisecond counts. Often one or two RCDs protect groups of circuits, especially kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoors. What goes out must come back. Inside, a differential transformer compares live and neutral. A tiny difference, about 30 milliamps, 0.03 amps, is enough to trip the RCD in roughly 30 milliseconds. That's faster than a heartbeat. It won't prevent a shock, but it makes it non-lethal by acting so fast. Enter the RCBO, residual current breaker with overload protection. As the name suggests, it combines an MCB and an RCD into one compact unit, doing both jobs at once. It handles overloads and short circuits like an MCB, and life-threatening earth faults like an RCD. Inside, bimetallic strip and electromagnetic coil for overcurrent, plus a differential transformer and sensitive trip for leakage. It's like two specialist guardians in one, watching a single circuit with precision. With RCBOs per circuit, only the faulty circuit trips, everything else stays on. They cost more than separate MCBs and RCDs, but the convenience and safety make RCBOs the modern gold standard. So which device should you use? Let's recap with real-world examples. MCB, your baseline protector. Essential on every circuit to stop overloads and shorts. Example, fixed bedroom lighting, and MCB alone is fine. RCD, your lifesaver. Required on most socket circuits, and in higher-risk locations. Cut a cord outdoors? The RCD detects leakage and kills power before a fatal shock. RCBO, best of both. MCB plus RCD in one.